Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back for another video of Dyla's Homemaker Tips. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to tidy up your house fast and quick. I'm also going to do a little bit of laundry organization in addition to tidying up my bedroom and living room and kitchen. So if you are interested, please keep watching. Today is Thursday. This is my Thursday routine. I usually tidy up everything that's around the house and then I will do a deep clean on Friday. So today I wanted to share with you my Thursday after work routine. Hopefully this will motivate you to get up and tidy up with me. If you are new here, my name is Dyla. Welcome. I do a lot of motivational videos, how to clean videos, and I focus on how to save time and money. So please consider subscribing and joining me and my YouTube family. I would so appreciate for you to be here with me. Please don't forget to leave a comment below and like this video. Now, I just want to talk to you about what I am doing. First thing I do is I always tidy up the laundry and wash whatever needs to be washed, because that is the only way that decluttering works for me. Laundry is my biggest problem with clutter, but once I get that handled, everything else falls like the domino effect. It fits into place like a perfect glove. My 7-year-old son is not really good with keeping his drawers organized, so I do have to do this at least once a week because, as you can see, it gets really cluttered in here, and I do organize it every week. I tried every single method. I tried the Japanese style, KonMari style, American style, Turkish style, any kind of style method of organization. When it comes to laundry, it just does not work when your kid is too little to upkeep that organization. So that is what I'm doing now, and I am actually filtering out. The weather did get a little cooler, so I'm trying to get rid of the stuff that he wears during July and August when it's super hot. Even though we are still in August here in New York, it did go down to the 60s and the 70s. So yes, my friends, summer is officially almost over. We have 3 weeks left for just non-sweatshirt weather. So enjoy it as much as you can while it lasts, if you are from the northern part of the United States. Those of you that are on the southern part, you're just forever lucky, because the coldest it gets is probably like 55 degrees, which is like a hot summer day here in mid-January. Now I am at my kitchen organizing my pots and pans. I usually like to keep the like items together, and I keep the items that I use often in the front and top. So right now I am just organizing the lids with the pots and the pans, putting them in place, where they belong and just calling it a day. My living room never gets really bad when it comes to messiness. Usually my kids like to spend their time in the playroom downstairs or in their own room. They seem to find the living room boring, so they really barely come up here. So all I do is just fix the throw pillows and we're good to go. Now I'm just wiping everything down that I see has spots and crumbs on, and I'm going to go on to my robot, which is my lifesaver, and I love this. I did buy these couches brand new, and it goes right under the couch, which is great. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back, and I'll see you in my next video.